So basically it's really easy. Every time you hear me say something that you can make the sound of, I just want you to do it really loud. So if I say, coyotes calling in the dead of night. Oh! Exactly! Oh, see, this is good to do this in the second set when you've had wine. But I love this song, and it really is just about me thinking, hey, these are the sounds of us. This is how we sound. This is we live in the woods, and so there's a whippoorwill, a mockingbird, and if you don't know the sound, just make it up. There's a rooster, there's turkeys and dogs and cats, and those come really fast together, so you can pick one or no. As long as you're making sound, I'm happy. I think in the last show I said, I really don't enjoy that. There are moments that are about me in this show. This is fun. No, it is really fun. It is really fun when you guys do the sounds.